All right, so this one is for the people that purchased in 2019 to 2021, right? And the reason why I say that is because you probably purchased under 3% to under 4% interest rate. So now you may need a little bit of cash out to repair your home or to make upgrades as you see fit. However, you don't want to lose that terrific interest rate that you have locked in for the next 30 years, right? So what I advise you to do is take advantage of what is called a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, which essentially serves as a second lien on your property, and you're able to take out as much as you want towards whatever balance that you get approved for, but you don't have to take it all at once, right? So it's essentially like a simple line of credit like anything else, where you can leverage it whenever you feel need to, and that way you're able to leverage your funds and pour more money into your property on your own pace, as opposed to locking into a new updated refinance when it comes to cash out refi. If it doesn't make sense for you financially on a monthly scale, that is my biggest suggestion, is a HELOC, right? So if you have any more questions about that, reach out to me, shoot me a DM, follow me on social media, Instagram and TikTok. Let's do it.